Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Get Glowing with Akansha. So guys, today we are going to curl our hair but without using heat. So before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So first thing first, you need a comb to of course comb your hair, few rubber bands. You can even use the bigger ones, but I am using this plastic ones, small ones. And some water to dampen your hair, of course. And any hair or serum or hair cream. So let's get started. And so comb your hair nicely to remove any tangles. We don't want any tangles to be there. Now all you need to do is divide your hair into two sections. You don't need to be very precise with dividing your hair, we just need two sections. That's it. Okay, so now just clutch one section. We don't want that hair to come in our way, and we'll start with the other section. Okay, so all you need to do is dampen your hair. For this hairstyle you need to dampen your hair a little bit more. So dampen it properly. Comb it a little bit just to make sure that there are no tangles. Now take the hair serum or any hair cream that you have. Just a little bit amount is good. So the purpose of using a hair cream is that it will help in ensuring the texture of the hair once we curl it. Your curls will not go away faster. It will be there for a longer period of time. Now comb it properly and put all the hairs in the front like this. And now we have to start braiding it. Here we are going to do a fishtail braid, not the usual 3-strand braid. We are going to do the fishtail braid. Take one section from the left and mix it with the right one. Take one section from the right and mix it with the left one. Again do the same thing. Take one section from the left and mix it with the right one, and take a section from the right and mix it with the left one. Keep on doing it until you reach the end of the hair. And you don't need to be very precise with doing this. You can do it even a beginner can do it. Okay, so you don't need to be very precise. At the end of the day we are going to open it anyways. So keep braiding until you reach the end. Same thing on the other section as well. Once you are done with both the sections, all you need to do is take the two sections and just clutch it around the back of your head, or you can even leave it like that, whatever you are comfortable with. Okay, so here I am clutching my hair just to show you guys. I am not going to sleep with the clutcher on. Okay, so now just dampen your hair a little bit more. And you are good. So hey guys, I'm back, and now it's time to open our hair and see the results. literally in love with my hair right now. It's looking so lovely and so gorgeous. I'm loving it. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely like it. Please guys, do try it for once and you will love it too. Okay, so this hairstyle is definitely complementing my outfit right now. It's looking so good. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.